and Mr. Goodbar scored when you met. He sent you into Milky Way, around Mars, and into orbit. It wasn't too long before you, Miss Sugar Baby, and your sugar daddy did the whatchamacallit and celebrated your wedding night next to the home of the Walkers. You had a couple of chuckles, you starburst, and before you knew it, the Oni family became Darla and the Three Musketeers. Mr. Pop Rocks always looks at Miss Sweethearts and says, wow, how about a little Rolo on Fifth Avenue? Now and later, it's always bubblicious and good and plain.
That's awesome.
Wait, there's more! That's funny.
That is awesome.
Now this one here. This is a serious card.
Darla, you've always you may have hit a few sour patches along the way, but you've been a lifesaver to so many and have gone the extra mile, and you never missed your stride. Now that you're 50, your hair is starting to show a little snow cap, and you may be getting a little chunky snicker. The bones might be crunchy, or crunch, but it should be crunchy. And you may still have those butterfingers.
What?
But your Hubba Bubba doesn't notice any of these.
Yay!
Yes. All he notices is the gold line and the almond joy that he saw when he hit payday the day he married you. Tonight we have no symphony to play or
To play for you.
for you. But we want you to know you're very special to us.
Yeah.
You mean at least 100 grand to all of us, and may your future hold nothing but pure bliss. Hugs and kisses.
Oh my
Your
God.
family and friends.
Yeah.
P.S. This
This
ain't
ain't-
no cowtail. You go. You go.
Yay!
Oh my God, you guys! You did that! Unbelievable!
That's funny.